The 6V DC Comics Batman Batmobile Ride-On. When your child enters the Batman Justice League Batmobile, he or she will feel just like a real-life superhero. This item has forward and reverse settings, as well as a top speed of 2.5 miles per hour, and will have your child zooming through the streets of Gotham. The steering wheel activates light blasters as well as 4 distinct sounds that will keep your child entertained for hours. The Batmobile comes with a rechargeable battery that has a total runtime of 2 hours for a full-throttle crime-fighting experience. It also comes with a convenient plug-in wall charger with a 14-hour charging time to get your child back behind the wheel. You enjoy Kids 6V electric ride-on car. This nice and affordable car makes the engine sounds realistic. This bad boy has a gear shift, a gas pedal, and a highly simulated steering wheel for full driving experience, just like your own car. You are still keeper of the keys. However, do not worry, you can double lock both doors, and even steer on parenting controls if your child is starting to lose his foot or driving poorly. Peg Perigo John Deere Ground Force. If your kid loves building and helping you with gardening, he would probably rather have a tractor than a Ferrari. A dual-speed function for this puppy, it can run as quick as 4.5 miles an hour. Parental controls allow the faster locking of the equipment so that your kid can be on the right track at the right rate, and that the flip-up armrests basically ask for a slow pace of country roll. Best Choice 12 volts Kids 4-wheeler ATV. This Jeep gets all of the points for being the most realistic ride-on car, and parents say that's why their kids adore it. Because of its traction wheels and spring suspension system, the behemoth has plenty of brawn and is ready for off-roading adventures. But first and foremost, safety. This model also has an adjustable seat belt and visible LED headlights. Did we mention the functional radio? Power Wheels Disney Princess Jeep Wrangler. Don't be fooled by the adorable kid themes. This Power Wheels design lives up to its name, reaching a top speed of 5 miles per hour. It may not have all of the bells and whistles of other more realistic ride-ons, but you may find it comforting to see your toddler behind the wheel of something that appears to be designed for children. Best Choice Products, Kids 12V Bentley EXP12 Ride-On. This official Bentley EXP12 product is designed in the same manner as the real thing, allowing your young driver to drive independently in the best children's vehicles. Design that is realistic, manufactured with working LED headlights, a horn, and other features, and drives like a real car with a foot pedal accelerator, switches between 2 speeds, high and low, with an exciting top speed of 3 miles per hour. Parents can let their child drive manually or use the remote control to safely guide them when necessary. The remote control includes front and rear controls, a parking function, and speed selection. Lil Rider Ride-On Toy Motorized Sports Car. Suitable for both indoor and outdoor play, and can be used on any hard or flat surface. It is also lightweight and compact, making it easy to transport around the courtyard or even the park. With a top speed of 2.6 miles per hour, you can let your toddler drive this sporty little thing and feel safe about it. This car, on the other hand, is far from boring. In fact, it has every detail imaginable to complete the driving experience, including working headlights, a seat belt, and a plethora of sound effects. The motorized sports car comes with a remote control. This allows parents to take the load and control the speed and direction of the toy for added safety or simply to let their children enjoy the ride. Roleplay Chevy Silverado, ride-on pickup truck. This pickup truck is designed for heavy lifting and can carry an impressive 130 pounds of weight, so feel free to invite your child's friends to ride along in the back. This whip is a winner with 2 functional doors, an opening tailgate for carrying more stuff, and many other realistic details. Realistic and functional features includes visible battery life indicator, tailgate opening, transparent windshield, detailed dashboard, and cup holder. It also includes 2 opening doors and rubber traction strips for added stability. Functional LED headlights, working tailgate, backlit dashboard, speakers, engine noises, and horn to feel like the real truck. Easy to charge, simply plug the battery into the external charging port. Includes auxiliary cable. Children can ride along their own music while navigating through the MP3 auxiliary cable with speakers. Best Choice Products: Electric Lamborghini. Lamborghini Aventador sports car with real Lamborghini doors, an integrated horn, and LED headlights. A built-in auxiliary jack allows kids to connect multimedia devices. They will enjoy driving while listening to their favorite music. Parents can let their child drive themselves or use the remote control to safely guide them when necessary. The remote control has forward and backward controls as well as speed selection. The little ones can navigate the sidewalks in a safe but enjoyable manner between 1.9 and 3.7 miles per hour.